5 homemade hair conditioners. Is your hair dry or brittle? If so, it could be screaming for your attention and care. To make this task easier, we have listed 5 homemade conditioners for your hair that are easy to use as well as provide nutrients and vitamins. Learn how to get that strong and beautiful head of hair without spending a fortune on hair care products or visits to the beauty salon. Causes of damaged hair. Applying excessive heat to your hair, curlers, dryers, flat irons. Too much sun exposure. Bleaching treatments, perms, hair dyes, excessive brushing or lack thereof, excessive shampoo use, using extensions or wigs. Whenever your hair is damaged, it tends to cause problems, like split end or little growth. The worst thing you could do in this case is to not do anything. It is important to see a stylist and cut split ends, use hair treatments, and apply home conditioners to your hair. To make these homemade conditioners you will need very few ingredients, all of which are very inexpensive and provide excellent results as far as texture and hair health are concerned. 1. Avocado and banana conditioner. Ingredients: 1/2 banana, 1 avocado, 1 egg, honey, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Directions: peel the avocado and cut it in half. Make a paste out of it. Mix the 1/2 banana with the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the avocado paste and mix everything until making a uniform paste. Lastly, mix the previous paste with the egg and honey, and blend everything until creating a smooth texture. Application: moisten your hair, make sure it is nice and moist. Start applying the conditioner at the root, without touching your scalp. Slowly spread the mixture throughout your hair, concentrating on the most damaged areas. Let the conditioner act for 10 minutes and rinse with sufficient water. This will produce silky and shiny hair. Benefits: the banana nourishes hair, thereby preventing frizz. The avocado facilitates hair growth while moisturizing it. The olive oil strengthens hair and makes it shiny. The honey also provides shine and can be used to make hair softer. This is one of the best homemade conditioners that can be used when you have very damaged hair. 2. Vinegar and egg conditioner. Ingredients: 3 eggs, olive oil, honey, vinegar, lemon juice. Directions: separate the egg yolks and whites, and beat the yolks perfectly. Add 100 ml of vinegar and 100 ml of lemon juice to the previous mixture. Mix everything while adding 200 ml of olive oil and 3 teaspoons of honey. Mix everything well until creating a spreadable paste. Application. When the paste is ready, spread a little bit in your fingers and apply it. Let the conditioner set for 15 minutes and rinse with cold water. Benefits. Egg is an excellent conditioner in itself, and makes hair shiny. The olive oil strengthens hair. The honey can help lighten hair and makes it silky. The vinegar prevents hair loss. 3. Moisturizing banana mask. Banana is an excellent alternative for repairing hair that has been damaged by dyes and extreme temperature changes. This mask has everything necessary to reverse damage in a very simple and inexpensive fashion. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 egg, honey, milk, olive oil. Directions: mix the banana, the egg, 3 teaspoons of honey, 3 teaspoons of milk, and 5 teaspoons of olive oil, until creating a compact paste. Application. Apply to your hair and let set for 30 minutes. Rinse with copious amounts of water. 4. Conditioning yogurt mask. Ingredients: 1 egg, yogurt. Directions: beat the egg until forming a well-blended liquid consistency. Add 6 tablespoons of yogurt and blend again. Application. Apply the mixture with a gentle massage and cover your hair with a shower cap. Let the yogurt mask act for 20–30 minutes and rinse with shampoo and warm water. 5. Conditioning oils. Although the conditioners that we were just talking about are very effective, it is quite probable that you might want something a little quicker. In this case, the best alternatives are natural oils. They penetrate the scalp's surface and help repair existent damage while preventing new problems. They also make hair soft and shiny. The most effective oils are: A. Avocado oil. This is an excellent conditioner because the fatty acids and vitamin E facilitate growth and increase hair shine. It's best to apply warm or hot avocado oil, so long as you don't burn yourself, and let it set for 30 minutes. Rinse, or let it set overnight, and then rinse the following day. B. Olive oil. Olive oil is a fantastic emollient and is much better for the hair than other oils. Whenever you use hot olive oil, its ability to improve hair texture and quality is increased considerably. Use 1 tablespoon of warm olive oil to massage your hair and cover it with a shower cap or a plastic pad. Wait 40 minutes and rinse with warm water and shampoo. Homemade hair conditioners, an inexpensive and effective alternative. There is no excuse to live with poorly treated or abused hair. The truth is that it doesn't cost very much money at all, and it doesn't take too much time to improve hair texture and quality. All you need to do is remember to be patient, because in just the way that it took time for your hair to become damaged, it will also take time to recover its healthy look. You can use any of these conditioners twice a month, although you could decide to use them more regularly if the damage is extreme.